That's how you make the FM radio circuit. So now, I'll just grab your base plate. First important thing you need to do is grab the batteries. So I want coordinates on. Grab one battery packs right here. Then get a 2-snap. 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 6-snap. It's a 6-snap bow. I get a snapper. No, that's a 7. I want a 6-snap. It's a 6. Yep, that's a 6-snap wire. Connect the 2-snap to it. Now what you want to do is grab a 2-snap. Yes, grab a 2-snap and put it right here. And then what you want to do is grab the required part is the FM tuner. Antenna and tuner. You unwind the antenna. Let's unwind the antenna here. Put it right here. Oh. Okay. The FM module right here. Now gab 4. Gab 4 snap. Gab. Yeah, grab a 4-snap. Another 4-snap. Another 4-snap. Yep. Another 4-snap. Nap an R3 resistor. So grab R3. No, run. Now grab a 3-snap. 3-snap bar. Grab a 3-snap and a 2-snap. Now connect the R3 resistor to it. And get a capacitor. Get a C2 capacitor. Just place it right here. And grab an amplifier. Grab the amplifier and put it right in the middle port. And then grab a 2-snap and connect that. Take that right here. And now we're gonna grab a 3-snap. Connect that to the amplifier and the speaker. Just look like this. Snap and a battery pack. And another battery pack. Place this in. Now, like this. 2-snap. And a switch. Not a Nintendo switch, but a regular slide switch. Turn on. Here you have it. Steven. This doesn't even work. I had the antenna working. Thought I had the antenna working. I guess it's not picking up any channel. It's not even picking up any channel. Mistakes I made or what? Oh, right. Thanks or what? So bye.